In my research project is sustainable low-carbon furniture. Traditional furniture design theories and methods only aim at meeting people's needs. It ignores the consumption of resource and energy in the production and use of furniture products, especially the impact of carbon emission on the ecological environment. When I was thinking about how to design green furniture in line with the requirement of low carbon area, I did some research and find that the paper materials are completely in line with the development trend of the low carbon area. Paper materials come from the wide range of sources and can be produced by recycling waste paper products. It has excellent performance and low cost. Paper furniture after special treatment, waterproof, moldproof, and moldproof can widely used in marketing. I analyzed three existing designs. The first was lamp-shaped, which was based on Shuji paper. The whole design is simple and generous, but the materials is easy to collect dust, clean up very troublesome. Cleaning up very troublesome. The third is unregulated chair, which is made by using corrugated board to create a unique chair. The texture, distortion, and the distortion of paper bag are applied to the flowers by using coagulation technology, a return to rustic. Corrugated paper chair shape and modeling on the plasticity is very high. However, this material has a round surface and significant friction, make it easy to scratch clothes. The second one is coagulated paper vase. Coagulation paper is a kind of paper with glue or pass after past treatment. It can be used to make paper. Coagulant paper products are generous in decoration, smooth in surface, and oriental in tone. There are various methods for making coagulated paper products, such as gluing several pieces of paper together and then molding them to make plant dishes or furniture panels. The ones and cap made of coagulation paper look very simple and clean. And then is my design test process. I use the traditional Chinese technique of paper making to make the flower and appliance paper. In order to test the performance of this paper, I make chandeliers with flower paper. I designed a diamond-shaped chandelier, which is inspired by the paper lanterns in the Asian China. My prism chandelier is divided into 8 triangulated pieces of cardboard. The whole frame is made of bamboo stick. After making 8 triangulated pieces of cardboard, glue them together with strip of paper on the back. This is just a small mold. The advantages of flower paper is not only environmental protection and low carbon, but it can change the color and the pattern according to the designer's performance. The paper breaks the traditional will of people, while the inside of the dried flower and insect repellent and climbing effect. The only downside is water resistance, and I'm also testing some waterproof coating to improve their performance. My first design was a chandelier for a bedroom and incorporate the technical of floral paper on it. Table lamp or chandelier in the bedroom are generally squared and round. Moreover, drawing paper used to do lighting is also standard geometry. I designed it as a circle with the concept of a square. The inner and outer layer overlap the light and shadow, giving the light a more layered field. Among them, um, an exterior tilt 30 degrees more conductive to see the flower and glass design on the lamp. The whole chandelier is made of flower paper and bamboo strip. The combination of manual art and natural materials make the whole design how appealing and at the same time achieve the goal of low carbon and environmental protection. My second design is a rocking chair. Traditional bamboo rocking chair inspired this design. The wheel-like support the chair body curved design allowed to serving back and force without falling over. In the middle of the back and set part of the cylindrical paper shelled circular curvature can make people feel comfortable. And the chair's edge lines was wrapped in rubber, which reduced the wear and tears on the chair. The material mainly used craft paper and honeycomb paper. Craft paper used to stick on the outside to have a waterproof effect. The internal material used honeycomb paper. It's connecting to a number of hollow three-dimensional regular hexagon by an adhesive method, forming an elemental force paper coat. Glue craft paper on both sides to form a new kind of sandwich structure of environmental protection and energy-saving materials. My third design is a children's sofa. For safety and comfortable, the sofa is made of reinforced corrugated cardboard with a cover design. Even if the children accidentally hit due to the characteristic of the product, it will not cause too much harm to children. This children's sofa is very waterproof, resistant to water for about 5 minutes, dry it in time. The material of sofa is corrugated paper and through scientific structural design and high-strength material use, it can achieve the same carrying function as traditional furniture. However, the weight is only 20% to 30% of the traditional furniture, which is more convenient to place and lower than other furniture materials. Paper home with natural beauty, pure natural paper can create a soft, natural, quiet bedroom space atmosphere. Strongly affinity can be integrated into a variety of household styles. Moreover, low-carbon environmental protection is easy to recycle and flight packaging. Small volume, easy to transport, same logistic cost. However, the disadvantages is that if placed very humid environment, easy to be affected by moisture, reduce the surface life, and we need to pay attention to the fire prevention. This is my presentation. Thanks for watching.